Alright guys, welcome back. For this session, I will be showing you the interface of Wondershare Femora, how it works, and things you need to know about the Wondershare Femora. And also, it's not difficult to use, it's pretty easy, and well, I think that's all. So let's just go right in and have a look at what we've got.
So let me show you guys something. To check if your Femora is licensed or not, you come to help and click on this activate Wondershare Femora X. So as you can see, it says your license has been activated successfully. That is, what is this trying to say? That you don't have to pay for license. This is a licensed software, so you don't have to pay additional fee, and it's for life. As you can see, it's for life, so you just go ahead and start enjoying. So before we begin, I want to introduce us to Wondershare Femora X. X means 10 in Roman numeral. So I would like to introduce us to the interface of this Wondershare Femora. This is media here, where all our media files that we'll be using, this is where they will be found. And this is your little display. Anything you do here would surely you see it here. So this is the display, and here you click audio. These are where we'll get all our audios. As you can see, you can click here, all these audio. Once you want to preview, you just double click and you see on our display here, you play. Sweet melody, awesome, right? Yeah. Then here, titles. These are titles, and we'll be using these titles are okay. Let me just show you how it works. Let's double click this. You see, this is, if you are going to be using this is how it's gonna look. Yes, exactly. Let's play it again. Let's say you want to use this title. This title means in the beginning of a video, you have to get a title, a catching title. So these are what you're supposed to use to bring up your title first. Let's check out this. So this is just the regular plain, it doesn't come with any effect. Let's try this one. I am so much in love with this because of the way it comes out. Let's do it again. So this is sweet and matured. This is also good. So the one you're seeing with this download icon, once you double click, instead of showing here, it will have to download. So you need to connect your PC to a data before it works. As you can see, it's downloaded, and you double click. This is how it looks like. Let's download this. You double click to download. It's downloaded. You double click to preview. Whoa, so this is nice, and you can edit this. This is the introduction stage. I'll still show you how to go about editing all these. So this is transition. Transition shows how your images or video changes to the next one, like this. Whoa, you see, like a curtain. So this is how this works. Then this one, this is how it works. This, let's go with this. You'll see, this is how it works. So you see, it's like a staircase. So that is that on transition. We have so many transitions, 233 transitions to select from. Let's see this. You see, then effects. These are all the effects available, 285. Let's see this one. See, it's like a slow motion effect. Here are the titles of the effect. This is blur bars. This is canvas. Let's double click and see. Once I have a video and I will want to use this effect, I'll show us how to go about them. These are elements. Let's download this, double click. I've not really used these elements, but it's pretty easy. You double click, boom. Yes, this one will go well when it comes to an explosion or something nice like a surprise. We have so many effects, 229. So I'll advise us this split screen. I'll advise us to just go through all these before you can begin or understand this interface fully. These are split screen, whichever one. We have 30 of them, and you can also add to favorites. Yes, just click on this heart symbol and it will be added to your favorite. Let's try this. As you can see, one is added. Let's add this one again, 2, like that. And that is that on this menu here. So here, this is called the playhead. This is what we call playhead. And once you click on, once you're playing a video or you're previewing a video and you click on stop, the playhead automatically comes to the beginning. This is our delete icon, like a waste basket where you delete. Then this is cut. This is cut, which is this other icon here. This and this, they are the same, they do the same thing. Yes, as you can see, it's split. Just hover your mouse pointer on any of them. This is do, undo and redo. This is edit. Yes, like I said, this is playhead. And all this place, once you start putting media files here, you see they start increasing. They are called timeline. Yes, these are called timeline, and it can be adjusted, reduced or increased. This is our play, stop, forward, backward. Then this is a marker. Shortcut key for marker is M. Once you press M, you see it marks where the playhead is. This is our playhead here. Then I press M to mark. If you don't want to forget, or if you're coming back to re-edit something, you come and press M. Then okay, that's that for marker. Then this is a microphone to record a voiceover. Yes, most of you will want to record a voiceover by yourself instead of going to some of these websites I will be showing you. You want to record it by yourself, and I have a software for voiceover. If you'll be needing it, you contact me and I'll show you or tell you how to get it. Then this is an audio mixer. You just play around it to see what it does. And this is zoom to fit timeline. Don't worry, I'll show you how to use this. And this is to zoom in on or zoom out on our timeline. And once you're done editing, you click on export. I'll show you how to do that. You click on export to create your video, and as you know, Ctrl S is to save. Please do not forget, this is very important. Ctrl S is to save what you've been doing. If not, all you're doing will go in vain. I've experienced such. After creating a video and almost finishing, I forgot to save, and I hibernated my system. Coming back to the system, I lost everything. I searched heaven and earth in this system and couldn't find it. When I was sure I saved, maybe I didn't do it properly, and I had to restart. So please, it's very painful to lose a work in progress due to carelessness of not saving. So every second save, it takes you nothing to save. Always use Ctrl S to save. So basically that is that on the introductory part of Wondershare Femora.
And there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little video on the interface of Wondershare Femora. And kindly note, for shortcut keys, the shortcut keys on Wondershare Femora, I is for in and O is for out. That means if you're in between clips, you want to pick a particular frame from a video, you just use I, that is your letter I, and O to mark the exact part or the exact frame you want to use. So please take note. And for pause and play, it will be better to use a shortcut key, which is the space bar. The space bar on your keyboard, always use that instead of using your mouse going to stop and play. Always use the shortcut key, which is space bar. Our Control Z is to undo as usual, while Control Y is redo. If you make a mistake, you just Control Z and it will undo. Then what else? Letter M is to mark. You can mark a particular spot you would want to come back to, or you want to do serious editing on, or let's say you mark a spot to use a specific sound to start from that place you marked. That is why the shortcut key is always good. You can also go through to see whichever shortcut keys you might need. Like Control G is to group a particular, let's say, 2 or more media. So that is that. See you in the next video.